Good morning, it's Dave at All Things Important Reviews. Please smash that like button, please smash that subscribe button for more awesome watch content. I've been waiting for this watch for a while. It's an unboxing of a very popular homage watch by Cronos. Comes in a nice plastic case. We all know what this watch is going to be. I've already had the version 1. I sold it, but this one, this is the Cronos Diver. I've got it in the blue, and this one comes with an upgraded clasp, a quick adjust upgraded clasp. This is a homage to the Rolex Submariner. Wow, that is pretty beautiful. Wow. And this one comes with a quick adjust sliding lock, similar to the Rolex Glide Lock. So we'll look at that. See that inside? Got the quick adjust mechanism. Awesome mechanism for on-the-fly adjustment. Now that is this blue. I'm just looking at it now. It's a very interesting blue. I thought it was going to be more like the Submariner Smurf, but it's actually sorry. It's actually a different shade of blue. Let me just take this off now. It's got all the standard specs, 40mm. This has got the PT5000 movement inside of it. But it's pretty absolutely beautiful. Let's try that bezel out. Oh, the bezel feels beautiful. Very low resistance bezel, that is a very low resistance bezel. I'm used to bezels that are a lot more high resistance. That is a super quick turning bezel. I got it in the blue. I'll tell you why I got it in the blue. I do not like just, it's because the Rolex Submariner in just black is so copied. I think that black and silver, just black and silver, is boring. It needs to have black, silver and red or another colour on it. But they weren't offering that on this model. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to also buy, I'll take this off in a minute. I'm going to also buy the San Martin 019 because which has a fast quick adjust clasp again. I'm going to buy that one, and I'm going to get it with a custom dial with red, but this one is a 200 meter water resistance watch. Obviously the automatic PT5000, fully loomed. I believe this is loomed also, the bezel insert. Brushed center links. I did ask for brushed, but I think you can actually buy it with polished center links if you want. The Rolex Smurf does actually have polished center links. I've got it in the blue, you can get it in the black, you can get it in the Cookie Monster, Starbucks, I believe, loads of different colours. The only problem with blue watches is that they don't go with as many clothes as black. They just doesn't go with as many. But, you know, as a weekend watch, absolutely fantastic. So I'll just do a quick wrist shot. That is well too tight for me. But that feels fine. Beautiful, beautiful watch. It's a shame how they've not signed the clasp. That's a bit of a letdown. That should definitely be signed. Also, but they do sign at the crown. Let's have a look at the back. The back is totally plain, which is again a bit of a letdown. I think it should have some markings on there, but absolutely beautiful homage. The end links go into the case perfectly, pretty much perfectly. So yeah, so beautiful watch. I'll get using it now and I'll give you my feedback shortly. Full review coming up shortly. Thanks for checking my channel out. Nice one. Have a great day.